if you do not raise your voice, if you do not stand your ground, if you do not let your husband know that your word is final in the house, you're a loose woman. You're a miserable woman.
You are all over the world. As you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu Oraifite. I've been our philosophy and life. Philosophy and life will guide our ways of me now. The time of truth. Okay, the quality here about spirituality. Ihe na emenando. Tata. It was that would be na Kowalo or Julius. Imado an actress. Or the advice to fellow women and everyone in general, especially women. Now you're that one I will be the boom. No nature is secure. Yeah, man. He and I give me what you must do. And I quite agree with her because the way he's piloting and handling his marriage now shows me that he lives by practicalizing it. Yes. I want to name one or two mother with the feminism. Give all of him on social media. Now, I call on that now. Now, when they pour it with working, not them working. Now, I call on how will write him so many things. There were the sentiments of the Nanya. There were he had the marriage, and the Kahana, have you not noticed that divorce is on the rise in Nigeria? Or the Betua and during the time of our mothers, because during the time of my mothers, they recognize Lord G. They recognize Lord G. Woody, Lord D. Boyan, Lord D. Woyan, and Lord D. Boo. This is their umbrella. Normally, you're on a baby, he gave me a tiny Digi to go in our quiet. I can tell you, now we'll go on a band for the Nanya, where I'm working. My dog was all looking one, and about it acquired you with it. He will weaken on a way alone. Macanobo and a bag of him, wine and a tap. Get a walk out of Maka. Happen one day I sing a gay pona. Go and check their background. Even on social media, I will follow why I say no believe for anybody. Even their so-called husband. Jenna, just go ahead beside their bayou. Most of them are divorced. Most of them are age addicts. And because now I got hard to work, I have to go. So take a wise counsel. Unless you may try to on a baby. I want to try on a baby, get a walk about to work for me. But I won't have any trying on a baby. He gave me after the baby. No matter what, never you for any reason challenge your husband. Only that this will may have on the man. And one man of her. It can be confrontational. It cannot be confrontational. Once you are confrontational, you suffer. You can't. So again, it cannot be confrontational. No one to a baby. Only that things will make jogging. But the beer. Nobody hopefully make it. But the beer, you don't want your. I'm working in our phone. I am working, including my humble self. We are adult babies. As you know, Ogori man will be doing a job with you. Be tough. Oh, on Amron, I want to grow as a group. No matter manner. Working to a pretty character. And he paid here, you do. Here you will put a message on to condemn my boss. Eze-Ana, I lost my marriage. I lost my husband. He gave me a put at a back. I'm up to go 2 years. 3 years, 5 years of marriage. Mpuzena yet na Sokoto di na Sokoto. Funa the street is so dry. Nobody has going to other country. On a here kinu na other country. On a ton of Makini and Ancho and Chiatapa. I want you to do work to bring my husband back. Here my one able. And what is he called? A side city to get it. And what is he called one also? And every night to wait to get. Is here for good to do. 90% of your class in your marriage go now because we did it. You got to play that complete you to do it. You want to know your big rulers. Man, a side chicken on the street, man, and I am a worker. They respect and now for you. All them road to the worker. Look at the value. Eh, you could have my no one mother now. Spiritually, they are not compatible. Yes, the heck was the name over. ka dịkwa mana ana m agwa gị maka ndị obidoro ụwa ọ na-atụghị ụtọ ọtọkọtazi ụtụ elu ilu o nwere ihe kọsịrị ya ilu ahụ o nubere nwere ike ọ bụrụ na o nwere aka iche nche maka na-ebugharị egwu ebugharị ọnọdụ enwere ike ịkwụsịrị ịdị jiri respekt ya enwere ike ịkwụsịrị ime ihe kwesịrị ime dịka nwaanyị a na-anụ anụ nwoke wee chenji ya onye ka nchọrọ ịtụgharị so ọ bụrụ na n'iso na ndị gbukara ute gị gbukwu onye gbukwu ute ya lahụ na ọ bụrụ na iso na ndị gbukara ute gị maka ihe na iji ezi agwa na achara ndị gị wee show down avoid it because I will not be able to help you. Advice I for man ndị emebere uru were wee gburu ihe adịghị ama nwoke aka nwoke bụ chukwu gị ọ bụrụ na mmadụ eyikara achị ya gị nwa m nwaanyị ga-asọpụ ya a man will still move on maka na onye bụ igute ewu na-eso he who fed the piper will take the tea ya nwa ji ebie ọ ga-ejikwa ego enye n'ụtọ ọzọ mana gị nwa will stay be there complaining then why waiting for another person to come and why waiting for another person to come if you keep on complaining keep on blaming women keep on calling men narcissists then another man will stay. What did I give you? I learned from it. Thank you.
If you do not raise your voice, if you do not stand your ground, if you do not let your husband know that your word is final in the house, you're a loose woman. You're a miserable woman. You're this, you're that. Iwe? Oh, what's saying Iwe? And you agree? Oh, God. Some people are so daft. Iwe? Imagine Oraifite now, you don't know anything. Nem, please come and listen to good advice. Adam Aka, no matter how small the man is, or how tall, or how poor, or how rich the man is, Adam Aka. Now I'm going to make one thing very clear. I'm going to state one thing. If your marriage is not working, there are some people that name business being together. Some people that do not have any business calling themselves husband and wife. If you know that in your marriage you're thinking of killing yourself and your significant other does not even send, if you want to buy, if you don't want to buy, my sister, find your way. Marriage is not a do or die affair, or do or die. But if you want to marry, regardless of how wrong he is, your manner of approach matters. You need to understand you're talking to your husband. Like I said, if you don't want to marry the man, go. But if you want to marry him, marry him. Marry him. Make your home. A lot of women will always complain, their husband did this, did that, year in, year out. Excuse me. Enough of the complaining. You cannot complain every day of your life. If you continue to play the same tune, you will continue to have the same dance steps. If you feel like your home is not working, if you feel like you're always having issues with your husband, my sister, change your style. Let me tell you another thing. All men are babies, big babies, big babies. You just need to know how to make them feel like one around you. Majority of you ladies will go to church and turn to mumus to your pastors.